Hi, this is Angie from Brahm Centre. We are delighted to be inviting you to Asia's largest mindfulness conference, the Singapore Mindfulness Conference, held third year in a row. The theme is building resilience and enhancing performance. This is just what we all need in these times of uncertainty. There's going to be 50 hours of webinars, workshops, guided mindfulness practices from mindfulness experts, doctors, and neuroscientists from around the world. All you need to do is click on the link for a free conference pass and be sure to let your friends, colleagues, and family members know about it too. Look forward to seeing you there.